Several hard-headed overseas Filipino workers in Syria pose a major concern to the Department of Foreign Affairs. Foreign Affairs spokesman Raul Hernandez says they have already sent Undersecretary Rafael Seguis to look into evacuating more Filipinos from Syria, including those that are beyond war-torn areas.
We cannot handcuff them, we cannot drag them, kasi in the end, yung decision pa rin ng ating OFW kung gusto nila umuwi o hindi.
Seguis was able to secure authority from the Syrian government to evacuate OFWs free from exit permits, travel taxes, penalties, and other fees such as employment refund and encumbrances. 1,400 documented and undocumented OFWs is about to return home very soon.
Well, yung iba, as expected, ayaw pa nila umuwi. First, kasi yung mga areas kung nasaan sila ay hindi pa masyadong magulo. Usually, mayroong tayong tendency na kung hindi pa magulo, hindi muna sila aalis. Pero kung nandoon na talaga, narinig na nila yung putukan, doon na sila humihingi ng tulong sa ating embahada.
The Foreign Affairs Department has been relentlessly asking OFWs from Syria to heed their call and return home.
But we have been telling them na please, kung ngayon pa lang magpa-repatriate na sila kasi wag na natin hintayin na yung security situation ay lumala doon sa Syria.
1,993 have been repatriated since. For People's Television, George Bandola.